Okay, the person that's on Zoom that has Zoom user, please state your full name.
Kara Chantel DeRuin.
DeRuin is your last name?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can put your mic on mute, and then when we call your case, you can take it off of mute. Thank you. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to welcome you to County Court at Law Number 2. My name is Judge Terrence L. Holmes. I'm presiding judge here in County Court at Law Number 2. This morning, we have 3 dockets. We have an announcement docket, pretrial conference docket, and a trial docket. When I call your name, please come forward with your attorney. If your attorney is not here, we'll wait for your attorney to arrive because your attorney may be in another court handling another matter. If you are not represented by an attorney, when I call your name, please come before the bench by yourself. Damon Deshaun Jackson. Announcement docket page, it's on our page 2.
This is the one that was.
And it's one of Andrew's cases.
Um,
Hold on a minute. This is cause number 24 CCCR 2250, case to style the state of Texas versus Damon Deshaun Jackson. Mr. Jackson, is that your full name?
yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Jackson?
I'm blessed. How you doing?
I'm blessed as well. Thanks for asking. Mr. Jackson, you're represented by your attorney, Attorney John Macy. Mr. Macy, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Your Honor.
That's good. Now, the state is represented in this case by Attorney Haley Simmons. Attorney Simmons, how are you doing?
Great, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Macy, I see that this case was reset to apply for pretrial diversion. That's what there's a note saying reset to apply for pretrial diversion.
Yeah. Yes, Judge. I did do that. However, Mr. Knopf rejected the pretrial diversion.
Okay.
So we're back to square one as far
Okay.
as that's concerned.
Okay, so what's your announcement?
My belief is that since it used to be Attorney Hubel's case.
Right.
And he's no longer in this court, so now it's going to have a new prosecutor. I talked to Ms. Simmons and she said she hadn't had an opportunity to look. So I asked for one reset, give her a chance to look at the case to see
That's correct.
unless.
We still need to negotiate now that there's a new prosecutor on it.
Okay, give us a reset date. This is on the announcement docket page 2, it's the last case, page 2. Yes, November 10th. Okay, this case will be reset to November 10th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Mr. Jackson, are you gonna get your reset from our court coordinator? Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. You are. She has another one. Aiden Gage Terrell. Okay, this is cause number 24 CCCR 0813. Case is style the state of Texas versus Aiden Gage Terrell.
Yeah.
How are you doing, Mr. Terrell? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Terrell, you're represented in this case by your attorney, Attorney John Macy. And Mr. Macy, this case is on the court's trial docket. What's your announcement?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, was just offered the BIT program this morning.
Okay,
And so he wants to do that, so I
Okay.
asked the case, get resets for that.
To get him into the BIP program?
If I may, Your Honor, I've already spoken with our office on Friday and they did guarantee that he was gonna be accepted. So if we could just move this to the pretrial conference docket to give him time for signing.
Okay. This case will be reset. Give him opportunity to get into the BIP program. And this case will be put on the pretrial
Thank you, Your Honor.
conference docket. Mr. Terrell, just have a seat, wait for your name to be called, and the court coordinator is gonna reset your case, give you an opportunity to get into the BIP program.
Yes.
Okay,
Thank
now what I'm thinking about doing, Mr. Terrell, do we know when he might start that program?
I want to say, Your Honor, they do the signings the same time they do the actual pretrial diversion signings because it's a similar
Oh, so
program.
it's gonna be
So
in
it's gonna
December.
December before he could even start.
Okay. Okay, so this case is gonna be reset the second week in December. Give him opportunity to get into the program. Once he gets into the program, then we'll reset it past the date that he'll be scheduled to complete it. And then we'll see whether or not he has completed that program. Okay? All right, just have a seat in that first chair on the wall and wait for your name to be called. You're welcome, Mr. Macy. I think this is your last case.
Yes,
Is that
Judge.
correct? So you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
George Jackson is getting ready to print.
Daisha Bennett,
That's a feature.
oh, it's a plea?
Yes.
Okay, it's not ready, okay. All right, so hold on, Miss Bennett.
Hold
Hmm? Oh,
December 15.
oh, which one?
The last one.
Yes. He was on the trial docket, so it's gonna go to the pretrial conference docket. I was gauged, you say December,
15.
okay. Okay,
There's going to be a writing to, nothing's being that.
Okay, when you said something about me having to take a class or
If you
something,
have the education,
okay, but,
if you keep your driver's license, you're gonna have to take it.
okay, so I will have to come back here,
No, 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 no.
You don't have.
I mean, to Beaumont, the.
No.
Now, again, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes,
And do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
yes,
And do you accept the state's offer?
yes,
Okay, now, Ms. Bennett, if you successfully complete this probationary, well, first of all, I will accept a plea bargaining agreement. And now, if you successfully complete this probationary period, this case will not result in a conviction on your record.
right,
And you, this case will be dismissed, and you may qualify for non-disclosure, whereby your record will be sealed to the general public. You can talk to your attorney about the non-disclosure because he's quite competent in those matters. Okay, now, Ms. Bennett, this will conclude this case. You'll stand next to the bailiff, follow her directions. Once you finish following her directions, you'll be free to go. Now, you mentioned something that she lives out of town.
She does. She's
Okay,
in Harris County.
okay. So what you can do is you can talk to, once you get to the probation department today, you'll tell them that you live in Harris County and they can transfer your probation to Harris County where you wouldn't have to come here.
okay,
Okay?
okay.
Okay, now I see that you didn't come here alone today.
No. I
You
think
came
my
here,
mom-
you came in with your mom. Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am, thanks for coming down here with your daughter. I know that you might, I tell this to young people all the time, you have friends, you have what you call BFFs. Some people you call your ride or die. They're individuals that you know or you believe that they will be with you through thick and thin.
Right.
But on days like today, when you need a friend,
Yeah,
those people that you call your BFF and your ride or die is not here because they had something better, something else better to do.
right,
But that young lady that's here today with you, that you call mom, there was nothing more important in her life today than to be here with you. I tell people this all the time. Everybody's not your friend, everybody's not your partner. But when that lady say she got you, she got you.
amen,
And before the day is over, you need to give her a big hug and a kiss for being there for you.
I appreciate it,
She was the one that put a roof over your head,
yeah,
clothes on your back,
yeah,
food on the table, and every now and then she probably had to put a little spanking on your butt.
yeah,
And she did all those things because she loved you. Okay, so I think you might believe that you're in a storm right now, but let's just remember this. When you're walking through a storm, hold your head high. Don't be afraid of the dark. At the end of the storm, there's a golden sky and a sweet silver song of a lark. Walk on through the wind, or walk on through the rain, though your dreams be tossed and blown. Walk on with hope in your heart, and you'll never walk alone. Okay? So just hold on to hope. And one thing about hope, hope floats. So when you're drowning in the sea of confusion, don't know what to do, hold on to that hope
amen,
because you'll float and keep your head above water.
amen.
Okay, you'll be all right. Mr. Paget, he has worked for you. He's put you in a position, whereas if you complete the probation, you will have this here taken off you'll get a non-disclosure where your record will be sealed to the general public, okay? That's a blessing,
Yes,
okay?
it is,
All right, so just hang on. I tell mom, don't give up on her. I tell people this all the time. Hang on, don't hang up.
You know,
All right?
thank you.
All right.
She's, we're not gonna talk about it. We don't need to. But she's done a lot of good things.
That's good. Just
She's-
keep up the
she's
good
a
work.
mistake.
Okay, yeah, we all sin and fall short of the glory of God.
Yeah.
Okay?
I mean, thank you for that.
All right, you're welcome.
Thank
You can get your, yeah, just follow her direction. And Mr. Paget, I think this is the only one you had?
You're on.
Okay, you're free to go,
Thank you.
and you have a blessed day. Who is Avery Phillips? Avery Phillips? Phillips. There we go. This is cause number 24 CCCR 1484, case of style the state of Texas versus Avery Keith Phillips. Mr. Phillips, is that your full name?
Yes.
Mr. Phillips, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Phillips, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Mr. Phillips, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Phillips?
Blessed. How about yourself?
I'm blessed as well. Thanks for asking.
Yes.
And Mr. Phillips, you're represented in your case by your attorney Ben Jeffries. Mr. Jeffries, how are you doing?
Doing well, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Jeffries, do you waive a record in Mr. Phillips' case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Phillips, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Avery Keith Phillips, on or about February 29th of 2024, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of criminal mischief. And the property had a value of greater than or equal to $100, but less than $750. Mr. Phillips, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes, sir.
And to discharge, Mr. Phillips, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No.
Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Yes.
Mr. Phillips, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. Do you recognize this document?
Yes.
On page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initials, AP on a line next to a box that's checked no looking 10 Dre, which means no contest. Did you place your initials on this document? On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
Have another document that is titled Trial Court Certification, the Defendant's Right of Appeal. Oh, he didn't sign this. Okay. Now, Mr. Phillips, I also have another document that is titled Trial Court Certifications of Defendant's Right of Appeal. Do you recognize this document?
Yes.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes.
At the top of this document, there's one box that's checked. The box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes.
I also have another document that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? Now, Mr. Phillips, before you signed and initialed all of these documents that I just showed you, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, sir.
Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Phillips, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes.
State,
offer states exhibit 1. No objection, Your Honor.
no objection. States exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Jeffries, you advised and counseled Mr. Phillips. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
And Mr. Phillips, your attorney, Mr. Jeffries, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes.
Mr. Phillips, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, we do, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
Your Honor, we'd ask the court for 1 year deferred adjudication, waiver of a fine with repayment of court costs, 40 hours of community service, a restitution in the amount of $525.16 payable to Virginia Estate Apartments.
Mr. Jeffers, were you appointed in this case?
Yes, sir.
No, fine. What's the court cause?
277.
Okay. Mr. Phillips, the state is offering that you serve 1 year deferred adjudicated probation. During the 1 year probationary period, you will not be required to pay a fine. The fine will be waived. You will be required to pay court costs in the amount of $277. You'll be required to pay restitution in the amount of $525.16 to the Virginia Estates Department. You're required to reimburse Jefferson County Court appointed attorney's fees, $350. You're required to pay a court probation fee of $6 a month, your analysis fee of $15 a month, reimbursement fee of $15. Now, your total monthly installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay each month while you're on probation, is $188 a month. Will you be able to pay the $188 each month?
Yes.
Okay. You will also be required to perform 40 hours of community service and adhere to the other standard terms and condition of this probation. Mr. Phillips, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just? And do you accept the state's offer?
I do.
Mr. Phillips, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, Ms. Phillips, if she successfully completes this probationary period, this case will be dismissed. It will not result in a conviction on your record, and you may qualify for non-disclosure. You can talk to your attorney about the non-disclosure because he's quite competent in those matters. Now, Mr. Phillips, you're going to stand next to the bailiff, follow her direction. Once you finish following her direction, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day. Mr. Jeffers, is this your only case?
I have,
Yeah, I'm not-
Caleb Hernandez.
Okay. Is it Kylie?
I think.
Kylie or Kelly? Kylie Hernandez?
That's right. If you had asked me to place your first over there for me. Yeah.
Ms. Hernandez, your first name is Kylie or
Haley.
Kaylee?
Mhm.
Okay. How you doing, Ms. Hernandez?
Yeah.
That's good. I'm doing fine. Now, Ms. Hernandez, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Ben Jeffries. Mr. Jeffries, I see that she was supposed to sign up for pretrial diversion.
That's true, Your Honor, and she's still supposed to sign up for pretrial diversion for the December.
December, okay,
There was when she was pregnant last time she was
Okay.
here.
okay.
We missed the sign.
Okay, so we're going to reset this case to the second week in December, but because you scheduled for the December signing. date, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, give us a reset date. She has pretrial diversion sign up. Okay, this case will be reset to December 8, 2025. Give you opportunity to sign up for pretrial diversion. And before you leave, what did you have? You had your child? A boy? Okay, congratulations.
Thank you.
All right. Now, once you get your reset, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day. And Mr. Jeffries, you're free to go as well. Once you get your reset, you have a blessed day. Thank you. Let's see. Okay. Mr. Macon?
Yes, we do. Mr. Jerome.
Yeah, she's on Zoom. Okay, this is cause number 25 CCCR 1742. This case is on the court's announcement docket, page 3. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Kara Chantel DeRuin. Ms. DeRuin is on Zoom. And Ms. DeRuin, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, thank you.
That's good. Now, Ms. DeRuin, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney James Macon. And Mr. Macon, how are you doing?
It's Monday morning.
Okay. And the state is represented in this case by Mr. Samuel Masradian. Mr. Masradian, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge. Thank you.
Okay. Now, Mr. Macon, what is your announcement in Mrs. Rubin's case?
Your Honor, I've gotten the discovery on Mr. Ruin's case. I still need to meet with her and watch the video and some other things. I asked for a short 30-day reset.
Okay, give us a reset date.
November.
Okay, this case will be reset to November 10th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Mr. Ruin, your attorney and your bondsman will be given notice of your reset date. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You're free to go. You have a blessed day.
Thank you.
And Ms. Macon, once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day as well.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, you working on it, man? Oh. Okay. Dwayne Isaac, Mr. Grove.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is this one of Haley's cases?
Yeah, it's one of Haley's cases, Judge.
Okay, hold on. Okay, this is cause number 25 CCCR 0994. Case is styled of state of Texas versus Dwayne Isaac. And Mr. Isaac, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Isaac?
I'm good, Mr. Holmes.
That's good. Now, Mr. Isaac, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney David Grove. Ms. Grove, how are you doing?
Good, Judge. Thank you.
Ms. Grove, what's your announcement in Mr. Isaac's case?
The complaining witness in Mr. Isaac's case has spoken to me about wanting to drop the charges, which isn't really up to her anyway, but they have signed her up to take an options class
Okay.
through the DA's office
Okay,
on November the 6th.
okay.
So I'd like a resetting to
So
see
after that
what
date,
the results of that is. If
okay, give us
Miss,
a,
Haley is agreeable to that.
okay, give us a reset after November the 6th. Okay, this case will be reset till November 10th of 2025 at 9 a.m. On that day, Mr. Isaac, you need to be back in court in person. You're gonna get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go.
Yes, sir.
And you have a blessed day.
You too, Mr. Holmes.
You're welcome. And Mr. Grove, once you get your reset, you'll be free to go as well. And you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
Everyone, and please ready, O'Shea Harrison on page 8 of the announcement.
Okay.
We have two. Dismissals, I should see.
Okay. Kendrick Booker. Okay, this is cause number 24 CCCR 0156, case of style of state of Texas versus Kendrick Booker. Mr. Booker, is that your full name?
Yes.
How are you doing, Mr. Booker? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Booker, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Ryan Kimler. Attorney Kimler, how are you doing?
Well, thank you.
That's good. Now, Mr. Hilton, I have before me a motion to dismiss this case. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Booker, I'm signing the motion to dismiss. You'll be able to get a copy of this motion, an order of dismissal from our court coordinator. Once you get a copy, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day. Please have a seat in that second chair on the wall. Wait for your name to be called. Michael Bushnell. Mr. Bushnell, your full name is Michael Bushnell?
Michael Donovan Bushnell.
Okay, how are you doing, Mr. Bushnell?
Well, thank you.
That's good. Now, Mr. Bushnell, you represented in your case by your attorney, Ralph Kimler. And Mr. Hilton, I have before me in this case a motion to dismiss. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Bushnell, I'm signing this dismissal. You'll be able to get a copy of this dismissal from our court coordinator. Once you get a copy, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day. Please have a seat in that first chair on the wall. Wait for your name to be called. Jushanio Ray Berry.
Michael Bushnell.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Mr. Barry, would you please come forward? Mr. Barry, your full name is Jushanio Ray Berry.
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Barry?
I'm doing all right, and you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Barry, you represented by your attorney, Ralph Kimler. And Mr. Kimler, what's your announcement in Mr. Barry's case?
No,
State?
State's ready, Your Honor.
we're ready.
Okay. Mr. Barry, we'll see you back this afternoon at 1:30. Okay, all right. Trayvon Durrell Conley. Good morning, Mr. Conley. Now, Mr. Conley, you're represented by your attorney, Ralph Kimler. And Mr. Kimler, this case is set for trial.
Ready.
You ready? State?
Ready?
Okay. So, Mr. Conley, we'll see you back this afternoon at 1:30. Joshua DeAndre Cormier, did he show up? I didn't see him as being here.
No, sir.
You might be in custody, I'm not sure.
Okay, okay. Joshua Cormier was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. At about 9 a.m., the court's merely called the name of Joshua Cormier at the courthouse door. Joshua Cormier did not answer. Is not appearing in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 10:15 a.m. on today's date of October 13, 2025. Ms. Bailey, would you please call the name of Joshua Cormier at the courthouse door?
Joshua Cormier,
Oh, just come on there.
Joshua Cormier.
I haven't just taken it off.
No response, John.
Okay. Joshua Cormier's name was just called again at the courthouse door. He did not answer. Reasonable time has passed. Give Mr. Cormier an opportunity to appear in court. State, do you have a motion?
They moves for bond forfeiture.
That motion will be granted. Joshua Cormier's bond will be forfeited. Warrant should be issued for his arrest in clause number 24 CCCR 0912. Next case is clause number 24 CCCR 0876. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Jeremy Lee Ford.
It's a city appeal. Already.
Mr. Ford, your full name is Jeremy Lee Ford.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Ford? That's good. Ms. Ford, you represented in your case by your attorney, Rife Kimler, and the state is represented in this case by attorney Haley Simmons. And Ms. Simmons, well, Mr. Kimler, what's your announcement?
Ready.
State?
Ready.
Okay. Mr. Ford, we'll see you back this afternoon at 1:30. All right. Oh, and that's on both on both cases, you're not ready, Mr. Kimler?
I'm ready.
Okay.
They rise on the sentence.
Okay. And let's see, I think we have, is that Kiana LaShawn Bailey?
I think I filed a motion for speedy trial on this.
Just want to have a motion for continuance of officers and training.
Oh, you have
I
a,
represented Mr. Hilton. I would.
okay, so you, okay, how are you doing, Miss Bailey?
I'm fine.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, State, you had, you said you filed a motion for continuous?
Yes, Your Honor, I filed a motion this morning. I was then not able to get it filed this weekend because of computer issues, but I discussed it with Mr. Kimler.
I advise Mr. Hilton, I understand this is the second motion for continuance, but I'm up for this.
Yeah, unopposed, okay. State.
Third one, maybe. She's looking at me like, why?
Okay, so this motion will be granted. Okay, now give us a reset date.
November 10th.
Okay, this case will be reset for trial November 10th, 2025. Ms. Bailey, you get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day. You're welcome.
We probably.
Let's see. Okay. So, Mr. Kimler, I think that's the best one.
Okay, and I'll see you at 1:30.
Okay. I'll see you at 1:30. Okay. Let's see, Mr. Alexis Lede. Court is in session in two cases. Cause numbers 25 CCCR 0404 and cause number 25 CCCR 0402. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Alexis. But Christian? That's your middle name? Okay, Val Christian Lede. I didn't think I was gonna get it on the first try. Okay, how you doing, Miss Lede? Okay, I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. And Ms. Lede, you're represented by your attorney, Attorney Tom Burbank. Mr. Burbank, how are you doing?
Doing fine, Your Honor.
And the state is represented in this case by Attorney Haley Simmons. And Ms. Simmons, or Mr. Burbank, let me ask Mr. Burbank first. What's your announcement?
Guess I'm making the announcement here, Judge. We've agreed to enter in the anger management through the pretrial diversion program, so kind of the
Okay.
same announcement we made with Caro earlier.
So we're gonna have to reset that till
correct, Your Honor.
December 8th. I think that, because it's, okay.
And he's already filled out the application. I've just got to get it up to back now.
Okay, so that's for anger, you said it's anger management?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, this case will be reset to December 8th of 2025.
Will they call me?
Pretrial diversion. Okay. I'll give you an opportunity to sign up for the pretrial diversion program for the anger management class. Okay. Now, Ms. Lede, you'll get your resets. Once you get your resets, put these on the pretrial conference docket. Okay. You get your resets. Once you get your resets, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day. And Mr. Burbank, I think these, oh, yeah, okay, yeah, you have
My best mom.
Tillman. Raphael Tillman?
He's sitting outside.
Oh, he's right there.
He was sitting outside.
Okay, this is court is in session in two cases, clause numbers 24 CCCR 0548 and clause number 24 CCCR 0549. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Raphael Tillman. Mr. Tillman, is that your full name?
Yes.
How are you doing, Mr. Tillman?
Fine.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. And Mr. Tillman, you're represented in your cases by your attorney, Attorney Tom Burbank. And Mr. Burbank, what's your announcements in Mr. Tillman's cases?
Here we go again, Judge. I'll make the announcement.
Oh, okay.
This case was previously Mr. Hubels, who's now been transferred to courts. The state intended to announce Friday this morning. However, defense counsel so kindly provided me separate discovery I wasn't entitled to. It does possibly affect the outcome of the case. The state and both defense have agreed to ask for one more reset to give me time to review that discovery. He's gonna email to me later this afternoon, I believe.
Yes, Your Honor, and not that I do anything surprising. It was provided to the previous counsel and I guess it didn't get through the.
Okay,
And hopefully will be dispositive of
okay. So this,
wicked accusations.
give us a reset. You keep it on the trial docket, I guess. We don't know what the states.
As of now, the position hasn't changed until I review the discovery, Your Honor, so the
Yeah.
trial docket's fine. November 10th.
Okay, these cases will be reset to November 10th, 2025. Mr. Tillman, you'll get your resets from our court coordinator. Once you get your resets, you're free to go.
Be excused, Your Honor.
Yes, and you are excused, Mr. Burbank.
I'll give them theirs. No, I'll give them theirs. Just email those.
Oh. She was gonna find something out.
Thank you.
Katie Michelle Jagno,
That's a plea, Your Honor.
oh, it's a plea? Okay, thank you. This is on the announcement docket, page 4. Okay, just hold on, we gotta call your name again. Let me see, Crenshaw was here earlier. Well, I thought I saw Mr. Bailey.
Yeah.
He is, Your Honor. I think he's talking to his client right now.
Oh, okay.
Okay. You did mark Ms. Harrison here, correct, Judge?
Well, on my docket,
On page 8 of the announcement. You checked in earlier with Ms. Redmond. And went to felony court. And she got reset.
that's O'Shea Harrison.
Yes.
Where's Miss Harrison? Ms. Harrison, would you please come forward?
And reset was for November 3rd.
Okay, so your case, your felony case has been reset to November 3rd?
Yes, sir. Our counsel.
Okay, so we will reset this case to that same date, November 3rd,
That'd be great.
2025. Our court coordinator is gonna give you your reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
You too, thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Matusi, you ready on, Ruben?
Sure.
Okay. Joseph R. Rubin III.
He left his notes back here.
Okay, we have 2 cases. Cause number is 25 CCCR 0134 and cause number 25 CCCR 0136. Both cases are style of state of Texas versus Joseph R. Rubin III. And Mr. Rubin, how are you doing? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking, Mr. Rubin. You're represented in your cases by your attorney, Attorney Ryan Matuska. And Mr. Matuska, how are you doing?
Morning.
Good morning. Mr. Matuska, what is your announcements in Mr. Rubin's cases?
Trial judge.
Okay, we're gonna reset these for trial.
November 10th.
Okay, these cases will be reset to November 10th, 2025 for trial. Mr. Rubin, you'll get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day. Okay, and Mr. Matuska, you have Mark Owens.
Yes, sir.
I didn't think he, oh, he's here. Okay. This is called number 25 CCCR 1268. Case of Styles of State of Texas versus Mark Wesley Owens. Mr. Owens, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Owens?
Good, and you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Owens, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Ryan Matuska. Mr. Matuska, what is your announcement in Mr. Owens' case?
Your Honor, at the last setting, I had a question about the new policy with the DA's office on blood discovery. It was brought up next door before Labor Day, and I got an answer last week on that. And the policy that I was told was if you do request a blood discovery, there's no more offer, you have to go to trial. Because of that, we're asking for one more reset so we can discuss what we want to do, because I don't know that we'll do that and jeopardizing the likelihood that we have.
Okay. Give us a reset date. It's on Mark Owens. Gonna keep it on the announcement docket.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, this case will be reset to November 17th, 2025. 5. Once you get your case reset from our coordinator, you're free to go, Mr. Owens, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And Mr. Matuska, this is the last case. You're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
You already got one more.
You- Oh, it's on the chart. Oh, I
got
missed
rain,
that.
rain.
Let's see. Raymond E. Grant. Okay, this is cause number 24 CC 1511, case style state of Texas versus Raymond E. Grant. Mr. Grant, is that your full name? How you doing, Mr. Grant?
How about this?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Grant, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Ryan Matuska. Mr. Matuska, what's your announcement in Mr. Grant's case?
Your Honor, on Mr. Grant's case, we still need the digital media. I've discussed that with prosecutor, and this person is going to provide that to us immediately.
I have no.
Okay, so we're gonna reset this, keep it on the trial docket so you can get the discovery. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
And so you need to get the was that the video?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, this case is reset to November 10th, 2025, to give your attorney opportunity to get the video that's in this case. Okay, now, Mr. Grant, you get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day. And Mr. Matuski, you're free to go as well. You have a blessed day. You're welcome.
I just sent the Cleveland Jack, Your Honor.
Oh,
It just got to her. I was just letting you know we did send it.
on who?
On Katie Jack now.
Oh, Jack, no. Okay, just waiting on the rest of the attorneys. Okay, please. Court is in session in cause number M 332-884. Case is style the state of Texas versus Katie Michelle Jagno. Ms. Jagno, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Jagno, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yeah.
Now, Ms. Jagno, your full name is Katie Michelle Jagno. How are you doing, Ms. Jagno? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Jagno, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Morgan Provo. Ms. Provo, how are you doing? And Ms. Provo, do you waive a record in Ms. Jagno's case?
We do.
Ms. Jagno, I have before me a document that is titled Information. This information is on my computer and it was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Katie Michelle Jagno, on or about May 3rd of 2022, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of assault. Ms. Jagno, do you understand what you've been charged with? And to this charge, Ms. Jagno, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest? Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges? Ms. Jagno, I also have before me a document on my computer that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. This document is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document? On page 2 of this same document, there are a set of initials on a line next to a box that's checked Nola Contendere. Did you place your initials on this document? On page 3 of the same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Is this your signature? On the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargaining case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement? I also have a document on paper that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document? Is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? Ms. Jagno, before you signed and initialed these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes.
Did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, sir.
Is everything in these documents true and correct
Yes.
to the best of your knowledge? Ms. Jagno, are you a citizen of the United States?
State officer states one.
Any objections? No objections. State's Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. Ms. Provo, you've advised and counseled Ms. Jagno. Is there any evidence that she is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
And Ms. Jagno, your attorney, Ms. Provo has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with her representation?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Jagno, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt state. Do we have a plea bargaining agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
In exchange for defendant's plea, the state's offering 90 days prorated over 1 year, $300 fine, 40 hours of community service, and the defendant is to have no contact with the complainant, Carol Gauthier.
Ms. Provo, were you appointed in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Just us.
What's the court cost? 387. Okay, Ms. Jagno, the state is offering that you serve 90 days in Jefferson County Jail, but you will not have to serve any time in the Jefferson County Jail because you will be placed on probation for a period of 1 year. During the 1 year probationary period, you will be required to pay a fine of $300 plus court costs of $387. You'll be required to pay probation fee of $60 a month, your analysis fee of $15 a month, reimbursement fee of $15. And you'll be required to reimburse Jefferson County Court appointed attorney's fees of $350. Now, your total monthly installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay each month, is $177 a month. Will you be able to pay the $177 each month?
I pay $155 each month for the Hardin counties. Is there any way that we can get the monthly payment lowered a little bit?
Okay, let me see her affidavit. Okay. Okay, now, Miss Jagno, I'm gonna hand your attorney a document that's titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence, and that document. Now, in that document, do you recognize that document?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of that document, there's a signature above the line at the top left-hand corner that's titled Defendant's Signature. Is that your signature?
Yes, sir.
Now, Ms. Jagno, is everything in that document still true and correct today?
No, I was working at Golden Corral. I no longer work there. I moved on
Okay,
today.
could you, you can make those corrections?
Ma'am? I'm looking at all this thing to them, and
Oh, thanks. Okay, now, Ms. Jagno, what's the total? She scratched through all of those, so she doesn't have, so it's no income?
No, sir, not, no.
Okay.
Oh, right here.
Okay. Jagno. Okay. Miss Jagner, the court is going to find that you are indigent, and based on the finding of indigency, the fine of $300 and court costs of $387, which comes to a total of $687, will be converted to 55 hours of community service pursuant to Article 42.15 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. The $350 attorney's fees will be waived pursuant to Article 26.015 G-11 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. The reimbursement fee of $15 will be waived pursuant to Article 102.018 Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. The probation fee of $60 a month will be waived pursuant to Article 42A.652B, because the court have determined that the payment of the reimbursement fee would cause you to have a significant financial hardship. And the $15 reimbursement fee is waived pursuant to Article 102.018 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. Let's see, so that leaves 180. You will be required to pay your analysis fee of $15 a month. It's 180 divided by 5. So your total fees will be $16 a month. Okay?
Reduce to 25.
No, probation fee was waived pursuant to Article 42A.652B, lowercase b. 0.652 lowercase b in parentheses. Okay, now your total monthly installments will be $16 a month. Will you be able to pay that? And Miss Jagno, you will also be required to perform 40 hours of community service. That's the 40 hours of your regular community service in addition to the 55 that was converted from fine and court costs. So you'll be required to perform a total of 95 hours of community service. And you cannot have any contact in this case with the victim. Is that Carol Gautier or Gaucher?
Gauthier.
Gautier,
Gauthier, Your Honor.
all right. And you will also be required to adhere to the other standard terms and conditions of this probation. Do you understand that? Now, Ms. Jagno, do you understand the state's offer and adjustments that the court have made based on the fact that you're indigent? And do you think that it's fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement with the findings in this case. Now, Ms. Jagno, just have a seat in that first chair on the wall, wait for your name to be called because they have to make some adjustments to the paperwork. And once those adjustments are made, you can follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you finish following the directions of the bailiff, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And Ms. Provo, this is your only case.
Yes.
You're free to go as well and you have a blessed day. You're welcome. Huh? Yes. 40 and 9 and 55. Okay.
You gonna take care of my plea for me? Thank you.
There's on two separate UCWs. Can we do one forfeiture for
Yeah.
them, or we need two?
You could do,
It's two separate clause numbers. We just.
oh, it's
the
two
27.
different cases?
It is, Your Honor.
Yeah, you probably do separate, yeah.
I'm not.
That's three cases back.
Okay, let's.
Okay.
Five, Mr. Brandon Farney, his spelling was reset. I just don't have the new date yet. We could just reset him. His case would be a
Okay.
plea once the
Okay.
felony was dismissed.
Thank you or something. Okay, that's Brandon Chase Farney. Okay. There's somebody in the back. How you doing, Mr. Farney?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Farney, you're representing your case by your attorney Corey Crenshaw. Mr. Crenshaw, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Your Honor. Thank you. We were already in Judge West's court on the felony. We're just waiting on that new date. As soon as I
Okay.
get it, I'll text the court coordinator. And
Okay.
in this case, will be a plea on its next setting.
Okay, okay. So you're free to go? Just check with your attorney for your next court date, and we'll have our court coordinators check as well, and we'll send a notice out, all right?
Yes, sir.
You're free to go and you have a blessed day. Okay, Holland.
And Judge, I'm going across the street
Okay.
to resolve a felony on a different client.
Okay.
And then we're gonna add him to the docket and come back, and it's just these two forfeitures.
Okay.
The cases are dismissed.
That's fine.
I'll be right back.
All right, we'll see you later.
Yes, it's plea. 925, the CCR 0214.
Delvin Baker, please come forward. Mr. Baker, your full name is Delvin LaRon Baker?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Baker? That's good. Now, Mr. Baker, we understand that your felony cases were reset. Did they give you a reset date?
I just talked to her on the phone. She said she had been trying to get in touch with me. She been reset it, I think, like last week.
Oh, it's already reset?
Yeah, she reset it probably like last week to
Okay.
15th.
Okay, hold on. You said till the 15th?
Yeah, Wednesday.
I do believe I recall seeing that your order was set for 15th, not announced yet. Off the top of my head, so let me double check. Companion felony was set for announcement on 10/15.
Okay, so these cases will be reset on the same day. Okay, once you get your reset, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day.
All right, thank
All right. Just have a seat. You can sit up there on the wall.
It's ready, Mom.
So
I'm working on you looking stuff.
Did I print anything, Trina, or did it not? I just want to make sure, because I don't know if I need to reprint. Just the Veterans Support Program. Just put that. I mean, it's similar to the free conversion program. That's the benefit. Thank you. He stands here any longer, Judge, we're gonna have to give him a job for the state.
okay, let's see, you ready on Larry Stoker?
ready on
You on
Stoker?
Stoker?
Mr. Stoker. He's really a pretrial candidate, you know, he's really a
Okay.
pretrial diversion candidate.
Okay, Mr. Stoker, you please come up. You can sit on that side.
You're gonna have to give him a job for the state.
Okay, this is cause number 25 CCCR 0716. Case of style the state of Texas versus Larry Stoker. Mr. Stoker, is that your full name? How you doing, Mr. Stoker? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Stoker, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Giles Cole. Mr. Cole, how are you doing?
Great, John, how about yourself?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Cole, what's your announcement in Mr. Stoker's case?
Now I dropped the ball, Mr. Stoker, he should have been applied for pretrial diversion, and that hadn't been done yet, so.
I see here, it says to apply for pretrial
Yeah, I
conversion
see.
August 2025.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
we're gonna give you a last reset for to apply.
I'm doing it right now, but I'm not leaving it.
Okay. Yeah. Now, give us a reset. Is that the December date?
It's just.
Okay. This case will be reset December 8th, 2025. Give your attorney opportunity to apply for pretrial diversion. Mr. Stoker, once you get your reset, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day. Okay, just have a seat in the wall. Is that the only case? Yeah.
Cassandra Owens is present, Your Honor.
Owens?
Was she talking?
I don't know.
I didn't see her on the docket, that's why I'm asking.
You're not on the docket? What brings you here today, Ms. Owens? What brings you?
Okay,
Oh, you with your daughter? Okay.
okay,
Well,
okay. Next case. So Mr. Cole, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. And Briante Nicole Holland.
Is that your honor? A lot of discovery.
This is cause number. Let's see. 24 CCCR 2604. Case of style of state of Texas versus Briante Nicole Holland. Ms. Holland, is that your full name? Okay, Ms. Holland, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Holland, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth so help you God? You have to speak up. Yeah. Okay, Ms. Holland, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Ms. Holland? You doing okay? Ms. Holland, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Jennifer Delage. Mr. Lodge, how are you doing?
You're doing great, Judge. How about you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Lodge, do you waive a record in Ms. Holland's case?
We do, Your Honor.
Ms. Holland, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Briante Nicole Holland, on or about May 30th of 2024, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of theft of property that had a value greater than or equal to $750, but less than $2,500. Ms. Holland, do you understand what you have been charged with? To this charge, Ms. Holland, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, and no contest? No contest? Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges? You have to speak up.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, Ms. Holland, I also have before me on my computer tablet a document that is titled misdemeanor plea admonishments. Do you recognize this document? This one box is checked. This box states that this is a Class A misdemeanor, and the range of punishment is minimum 0 days to a maximum of 365 days in the county jail or fine that cannot exceed $4,000. Now, do you understand the range of punishment for a Class A misdemeanor? Okay. On page 2 of the same document, there are a set of initials on a line next to boxes checked no contendere, which means no contest. Did you place your initials on this document? On page 3 of the same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document that's titled trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yes.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargaining case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? Second box states that you waive your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
Now, Ms. Holland, I also have a document that is titled discovery certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? Ms. Holland, before you signed and initialed these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes.
Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
Ms. Holland, are you a citizen of the United States?
State up for states one.
No objection. States exhibit number 1 will be admitted. And Ms. Delage, you've advised and counseled Ms. Holland. Is there any evidence that she is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
And Ms. Holland, your attorney, Mr. Lodge, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with her representation? Ms. Holland, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
In exchange for defendant's plea, the state's offering 90 days probated over 1 year. The fine is to be waived with 40 hours community service and $855 of restitution to be made payable to Dick's Sporting Goods, Your Honor.
Ms. Delage, were you appointed?
I was, Your Honor.
And what's the court cost?
77.
Yeah, no. Chris Bateman's I'm James Bateman. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, Ms. Holland. The state is offering that you serve 90 days in Jefferson County Jail, but you will not be required to serve any time in the Jefferson County Jail because you'll be placed on probation for a period of 1 year. During the 1 year probationary period, you will be required, well, you will not be required to pay a fine. The fine will be waived in this case. You will be required to pay court costs of $277. You'll be required to reimburse Dick's Sporting Goods, $855. You'll be required to reimburse Jefferson County Court appointed attorney's fees of $350. You'll be required to pay a probation fee of $6 a month, your analysis fee of $15 a month, and reimbursement fee of $15. Your total monthly installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay each month, is $218 a month. Are you able to pay the $218 a month?
Judge,
You're
she's
not-
asking for you to take a look at that and see if there's anything you can do to lessen that.
Okay. Now, I have before me a document that is titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence, and I'm handing that document to your attorney for you to review.
Yes, Judge.
And Ms. Holland, is everything in that document still true and correct today? Okay. Let's see, Ms. Holland, the court is gonna find that you're indigent. Let's see. Okay. Okay, now. Okay, now, Ms. Holland, the court is gonna find that you're indigent, and based on the finding of indigency, the court costs in this case of $277 will be converted to 22 hours of community service. So you will not have to pay the court costs, you would have to perform 22 hours of community service.
That's what I already gonna do.
Yeah, well, this is, yes, converted to, yeah, I'll get to that, but it'll be in addition to that. Now, the attorney's fees of $350, you would not have to pay that, it would be waived pursuant to Article 26.05 G-11 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. The probation fee of $60 a month will be waived because the court, based on your affidavit of indigence, the court has determined that the payment of the reimbursement fee would cause you a significant financial hardship, so you would not have to pay the $60 a month probation fee. The reimbursement fee of $15 will also be waived, which means you will not have to pay that. And that's pursuant to Article 102.018 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedures. The fine is already waived. You will not have to pay a fine in this case. State waived the fine in this case.
You said a probation fee was waived too.
Yeah, the probation fee is waived pursuant to Article 42A, it's a capital A, 0.65 lowercase b in parentheses. Now, you will be required to reimburse Dick's Sporting Goods the $855 in restitution. And you'll be required to pay the urinalysis fee of $15 a month, your total monthly installments. That is the total amount that you will be required to pay each month is $94 a month. Okay? You also be required to perform 40 hours of community service. And so you'll be required to perform a total of 62 hours of community service. That's the 22 that was converted from the court cost plus the 40. Okay. And you also be required to adhere to the other standard terms and conditions of this probation. Ms. Holland, do you understand the state's offer and the adjustments that the court made based on you being found to be indigent? And do you think that it's fair and it's just? And do you accept it? Okay, now, Ms. Holland, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Ms. Holland, you'll have a seat, wait for your name to be called. Once your name is called, you go and follow the directions of the bailiff.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay. And Ms. Delage, this is your only case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you're free to go.
Have a good day.
Same to you. You have a blessed day.
You know that approach?
Hold on a minute. Okay. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is in session and cause number 24 CCCR 1867. Case of Solid State of Texas versus Alfonso Martinez Jr. Mr. Martinez is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Martinez, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you, Judge?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. And Mr. Martinez, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Dustin Galmore. Mr. Galmore, how are you doing?
Great, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Mr. Galmore, what is your announcement in Mr. Martinez's case?
Judge, we're in the process of applying for pretrial diversion, so if we could have a December setting. No, I'm sorry, wouldn't that be a November setting?
Didn't know it'd be this December.
This December.
I think we'll put them on December the 8th.
Yes.
Okay, so these cases will be, this case will be placed on the pretrial conference docket for December 8th at 9 AM to give your attorney an opportunity to apply for pretrial diversion. And Mr. Martinez, your attorney, your bondsman will be given notice of your reset date. Stay in contact with your attorney, your bondsman. You're free to go, and you
Yes,
have
sir.
a blessed day.
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome. And the next case is David Rayner.
Judge, I don't see him present. I'm gonna see if I can locate him and see if I can get him to either come to court or get on Zoom, but I don't see him in the courthouse or on Zoom this morning.
Okay, we'll give you opportunity to do that before we close the docket.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Okay. Okay, let's see.
Just the baby.
Yeah.
Bailey, yes.
Be right back. I'll do that for you. Thanks.
Which one's the?
Isaac Stone.
Okay. Isaac Stoneham.
It was good.
Oh. This is cause number 24 CCCR 1246. Case is style of state of Texas versus Isaac Charles Stone. Mr. Stone, would you please raise your right hand? You swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. Stone, you may put your hand down. How are you doing? That's good. Now, Mr. Stoneham, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Jansen Bailey. And Mr. Bailey, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Your Honor. Thank you for asking.
You're welcome. Mr. Bailey, do you waive a record in Mr. Stoneham's case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Stoneham, the state is represented in this case by Attorney Andrew Hubel. Mr. Hubel, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge, thank you.
You're welcome. Now, Mr. Stoneham, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, Mr. Stoneham, didn't come up. Oh, it's down here. Okay, in this information, Mr. Stoneham, it alleges that you, Isaac Charles Stoneham, on or about April 20th of 2024, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of assault causing bodily injury to a family member. Mr. Stoneham, do you understand what you've been charged with? To this charge, Mr. Stoneham, how do you plead guilty? Not guilty, no contest.
Good.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Sir.
And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Sir.
Hey, Mr. Stoneham, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
This document is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. On page 2 of this document, there's a set of initials on the line next to the box that's checked guilty. Did you place your initials on this document?
Sir.
On page 3 of the same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargaining case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement? I also have a document on paper that is titled Discovery Certification. You recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? Mr. Stoneham, before you signed and initialed all of these documents that I just showed you, did your attorney go over these documents with you? And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, sir.
Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Stoneham, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
See for stage 1.
Any objections?
Objection, Your Honor.
No objections. State's Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. And Mr. Bailey, you've advised in counsel, Mr. Stoneham, is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
And Mr. Stoneham, your attorney, Mr. Bailey, have advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Stoneham, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargaining agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
The agreement in this case is that he gets probated over 1 year with a $250 fine, 50 hours community service, and no contact with the complaining witness, J.B. Gilbert, in a threatening or harassing manner.
Okay, 90 over.
90 over 1, 250, and 50 hours of community service.
Service. No contact. Okay. 250. What's the court cost?
277.
277. Okay. Mr. Stoner, the state is offering that you serve 90 days in the Jefferson County Jail, but you will not be required to serve any time in the Jefferson County Jail because you'll be placed on probation for a period of 1 year. During the 1 year probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $250 plus court costs of $277. You'll be required to pay $100 to a family violence center in Jefferson County. You will also be required to pay a probation fee of $60 a month, your analysis fee of $15 a month, reimbursement fee of $15. Your total monthly installments, that is a total amount that you will be required to pay each month, is $140 a month. Will you be able to pay the $140 each month?
So,
Okay. You will also be required to perform 50 hours of community service. You cannot have any contact with the victim in this case in a threatening or harassing manner. And the victim is that Jamie Gilbert?
yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And you'll also be required to adhere to the other standard terms and conditions of this probation. Mr. Stoneham, do you understand the state's offer? Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just? Do you accept the state's offer? Mr. Stoneham, I'll follow the plea bargaining agreement that you have entered into with the state. And Mr. Stoneham, I just handed your attorney a document that is titled Model Written Ammunition on Ineligibility to Possess a Firearm Ammunition. And in accordance with the Texas Administrative Code, Section 176.1, the court hereby admonishes you of the following. 1, you are by entry of order of judgment ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Number 2, beginning now, if you possess a firearm or ammunition, it could lead to charges against you. If you have questions about how long you will be ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, you should consult an attorney. Number 3, under Texas Penal Code Section 46.013, firearms mean any device designed, made, or adapted to expel a projectile through a barrel by using the energy generated by an explosion of burning substance or any device readily convertible to that use. B, firearm does not include a firearm that may have as an integral part a folding knife blade or other characteristics of weapons made illegal by Penal Code Chapter 46, and that is 1, an antique or curio firearm manufactured before 1899, or 2, a replica of an antique or curio firearm manufactured before 1899, but only if the replica does not use rimfire or centerfire ammunition. For more information about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm ammunition, or for more information on how long your ineligibility to possess a firearm ammunition lasts, the court recommends you contact an attorney. For your reference, you may wish to consult the statutes listed below, which may or may not apply to your circumstances. Code of Criminal Procedure Article 17.292, Magistrate's Orders for Emergency Protection. Code of Criminal Procedure Article 27.14E1, plea of guilty or nolo contendere in a misdemeanor case. Code of Criminal Procedure Article 42.0131, notice of persons convicted of misdemeanors involving family violence. Penal Code Section 46.02, unlawful carrying weapons. Penal Code Section 46.04, unlawful possession of a firearm. Penal Code Section 25.07, violation of certain court orders or conditions of bond, any family violence, child abuse and neglect, sexual assault or abuse, indecent assault, stalking, or trafficking case. Family Code 85.026, warning on protective order. Now, the written admonition that has been given to you is for your records. Now, Mr. Stoneham, you can stand at the end of that table. No, have a seat. No, just have a seat in that first chair. Wait for your name to be called. Once your name is called, you'll follow the direction of the bailiff. And once you follow the direction, feel free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Bailiff,
Smile gaze strong.
you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Good to see you. Thursday.
Okay. Let's see. I have
Dismissals. Dismissals with a.
Yeah.
Sure.
There's 3, Your Honor, with 2
Yeah.
separate UCWs.
Okay, this is that Jared Landon Albanese?
Yes, sure.
Mr. Albanese? Mr. Albanese, this is cause numbers 25CCCR 1599 and cause number 25CCCR 1600. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Jared Landon Albanese. Mr. Albanese, is that your full name? Mr. Albanese, would you please raise your right hand? You swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. Okay, Mr. Albanese, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Albanese? That's good. Now, Mr. Albanese, you're represented in your case by on your cases by your attorney, Corey Crenshaw. Mr. Crenshaw, how are you doing?
I'm great, Judge. Thank you.
And Mr. Crenshaw, do you waive a record in Mr. Albanese cases?
We do, Your Honor.
And Mr. Albanese, I have before me two motions to forfeit. The first motion is in cause number 25 CCCR 1599. And in this motion, this weapon is being forfeited to the Lamar University. Mr. Albanese, do you recognize this document?
Yeah.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? Now, Mr. Albanese, before you sign this document, did your attorney go over this document with you? And did you understand everything in this document? And is everything in this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Okay, Mr. Albanese, I'll be granting the motion to forfeit the weapon in this case to Lamar University. And in the next case, cause number 25 CCCR 0322, I have before me a document that's titled motion to forfeit. You recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? Now, before you sign this document, did your attorney go over this document with you? And did you understand everything that he went over? Okay. And is everything in this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Okay. And so, Mr. Albanese, the court is going to grant this motion to forfeit the weapon in this case to the Beaumont Police Department. And state, you have additional motions?
The state has submitted two motions to dismiss with respect to these two cause numbers, Your Honor, for the forfeiture of the weapons. And in addition to that, we've also sent a dismissal for the resisting and with the plea to the felony cause.
Okay. So, Mr. Albanese, let's see. The state will be dismissing cause numbers 25 CCCR 0322, cause number 25 CCCR 1599, and cause number 25 CCCR 1600. You'll be able to get a copy of the dismissals from the court coordinator. Once you get a copy, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Crenshaw, you're free to go as well. You have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
And we appreciate the court staff getting us back in the documents.
Okay.
Good one. You have a lot.
Okay, this is the first dismissal signed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
It's the second one. It's the second. And this is the third one. Dale Christopher Searle. Court is in session. Two cases, cause numbers 25 CCCR 1106 and cause number 25 CCCR 1102. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Dale Christopher Searle. Mr. Searle, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Searle?
Doing well.
That's good. Mr. Searle, you're represented in your cases by your attorney, Attorney Todd LeBlanc. And Mr. LeBlanc, how are you doing?
Good.
That's good. Now, Mr. LeBlanc, I have two motions for continuance that has been filed by the state.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Have you received a copy of these motions?
I have to.
And do you have any objections to the motion for continuance in these cases? Okay. Okay, now, Mr. Searle, your case is going to be continued. You'll be able to get a trial date from our court coordinators. Once you get a trial date from the coordinators, you'll be free to go.
Can I say something?
Yes.
This case ended up on the trial docket rather quickly. It was made known to me that the complaining witness, who I have not successfully been able to get in contact with as of yet, wants to take the options class.
Oh.
So we could have
I'm gonna try that.
possibly a longer than 30-day reset. I want to say the file age is somewhere around 150. That way we can secure her and we have a chance to
Searle.
speak with her.
Okay. So, let's put it on the pretrial conference docket. Okay, we'll check it off the trial docket.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Searle, on
There's-
page 5 and 6. At the bottom of 5 and the top of 6. Let's see, a complaining witness take options. Yes.
That should be fine. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
That should be fine. Just not to meet with me.
Okay, Mr. Sir, you get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
I should have done that.
There was that number on there.
The number's correct, because I mean, one of them was this.
Well, Ross Scott, okay, this is cause number 24 CCCR 1504, case of style of state of Texas versus Maras N. Scott. Ms. Scott, is that your full name? How are you doing, Ms. Scott? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking, Ms. Scott. You're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Todd LeBlanc. And Mr. LeBlanc, I see here that there's a note that this case is reset for your client to sign pretrial diversion in October. Is that correct?
Yes, I believe that, I didn't know if it was reset for a sign in October, but for contact, and I've made contact with them, but I've sent.
Oh,
Haven't heard from them.
You hadn't heard from me yet? So you're still trying to get into pretrial?
Yes. Because he didn't.
Okay, so we'll reset this case to December 8th. Okay, we'll reset this case December 8th. To give your attorney opportunity to hear from pretrial diversion. See whether or not you accept it. Okay,
Thank you.
you're gonna get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. You have a blessed day.
Yes, sir, thank you.
All right. Okay,
You did good, Judge.
yeah. Let's see, David Rayner. Oh, you still have one case left.
What is the account?
Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session. And cause number M331291, case of style of state of Texas versus David Rayner. David Rayner was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. At about 9 a.m. Of course, failed to call the name of David Rayner. David Rayner did not answer. David Rayner has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 11:50 a.m. on today's date of October 13, 2025. Ms. Bailey, would you please call the name of David Rayner at the courthouse door?
Yes. David Rayner. David Rayner. Rayner. No response, Judge.
Okay, David Rayner's name was just called again at the courthouse door. David Rayner did not answer. Right. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Rayner an opportunity to appear in court. He is not appearing in court. And just for the record, David Rayner's attorney, Mr. Galmore, did appear in court. He was going to try to get in contact with his client. And I guess he's been unable to do that. And so if State, do you have a motion?
State moves for bond forfeiture, Your Honor.
David Rayner's bond will be forfeited and a warrant should be issued for his arrest in cause number M331291. And this will conclude the calling of the court's pretrial docket and the court announcement docket on today's date of October 13, 2025. And the court will be back in session at 1:30 for the jury trial docket. Okay, so court is in recess till 1:30.
Thank you, Judge.